What makes a person beautiful? What are the requirements to be beautiful? What does it mean to be beautiful? Does it mean being thin? Does it mean having a good physique according to the stereotypes created by our society? Does it mean not having imperfections? Well, the answer is no. To be beautiful is to love yourself. To be beautiful is to appreciate you. Being pretty is having imperfections that make you perfect. Being pretty is being insecure. To be beautiful and pretty is to know how to love you as you are. Because the imperfections that appear to you to be like this, in reality for others, are the reason why you are unique. Don't be ashamed of yourself. Don't seek to cover your body because it's your body that's going to take you everywhere. It's with which you're going to experience a lot of things, and it's the one that perfectly reflects you as you are, because you are perfect with all of your body parts. Love yourself, take care of you, and remember, imperfection makes beauty.